Morning Standard 6 students. In my last video, I have given exercise to do on the basis of proper noun, common noun and collective noun. Now today in this video, I am going to give you more exercise to do. So let's start. Now dear students, this is from page 27. Fill in the blanks with opposites of the abstract nouns from the box. You see some opposite of abstract nouns are given in the box and you have to choose the answer from the box. The first one I have done for you, that is punishment. I have written reward. So let me read out the words that is given in the box. Presence, softness, hatred, kindness, knowledge, success, cowardice, harshness, reward, sorrow. So these are the opposite of the abstract nouns given in under need of the box. So first one I have done, you see punishment, I have written reward that I have chosen from the box. Second is absence, you have to write the answer from the box. Hazardness. Fourth is failure. Fifth is love. Sixth is happiness. Seventh is cruelty. Eighth is bravery. Ninth is gentleness. 10th is ignorance. This exercise is from page 29. Here also some words are given in the box and you have to choose the correct word from the box and to fill up the blanks. Fill in the blanks with the names of the people who do the jobs mentioned in the box below. You see, geologist, baker, barber, pharmacist, florist, photographer, composer, architect, fishmonger, lyricist, pilot, novelist, journalist, potter and magistrate. You see, the first one I have done for you. An officer who acts as a judge in the lower courts. I have written the answer magistrate, that I have chosen from the box. The second one is given, a person who writes novels. You have to write the answer from the box. A person who is professionally qualified to prepare medicines. Fourth, a person who takes photographs usually as a job or hobby. Fifth, a person who carries luggage at railway station. A person who writes lyrics for a song. A person who designs and supervises the construction of buildings. A person who makes bread, cakes, etc. A person who cuts men's hair and shaves and trims beard. A person who composes music. A person who flies aeroplanes. A person who sells fish. A person who sells flowers. A person who studies rocks and soils. A person who writes news for newspapers and periodicals. So all these are the questions are given and you have to write the answer. You have to choose the answer from the box. So dear students, I hope that the exercise that I have given to you, you will do in your English grammar classwork copy. So stay healthy, have a nice day, thank you.